Hi, my name is Mohammed and welcome in Found English. Today, English is very easy, very slow, and very simple. You don't need to write anything. You don't need to speak yet. Just listen, just relax, and try to understand. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a story, a simple story about one day, one normal day. Listen carefully. It's morning. It's 7 o'clock. The alarm rings. I wake up. I open my eyes and I sit up in bed. I say, "Good morning." Now, listen again. Same sentences one more time. It's morning. It's 7 o'clock. The alarm rings. I wake up. I open my eyes and I sit up in bed. I say, "Good morning." Now, quick check. No pressure. Just think. Yes or no. Is it 7 o'clock? Yes, good. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. The water's cold. I smile in the mirror. I go back to my room. I open my closet. I choose a shirt. The shirt is blue. I put on the shirt. I put on my pants. I am ready. Now, let's listen one more time, a bit faster. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I go back to my room. I choose a shirt. The shirt is blue. I'm ready. Now, yes or no? Is the shirt red? No, the shirt is blue. Good job. I walk to the kitchen. I'm hungry. I open the fridge. I take out some eggs. I take out some milk. I cook the eggs. The eggs smell good. I make coffee. I make toast. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast. I drink my coffee. The coffee is hot. Listen again, faster. I walk to the kitchen. I'm hungry. I take out some eggs. I take out some milk. I cook the eggs. I make coffee. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast. Now, yes or no? Am I hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Perfect. Stop for a moment. Think about your morning, your real morning, today. What time do you wake up? Think about it in English. Just think. Don't worry about the answer. Just think in English for 3 seconds. Good. Let's continue the story. I finish breakfast. I wash the plates. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I open the door. I say goodbye to my cat. I walk outside and the sky is blue. The sun is bright. I feel good. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see cars. I see people. I see tall buildings. Listen one more time, and it's a bit faster. I finish breakfast. I put on my shoes, and I take my bag. I walk outside. I walk to the bus stop. I get on the bus, and I sit near the window. I look outside. Now, yes or no? Do I take a taxi? No, I take the bus. Perfect. The bus stops. I get off the bus. I walk into my office. I say good morning to my co-workers. They say good morning to me. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my messages. I drink some water. I start my work. Time passes. It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I stand up. I walk to a small restaurant near my office. I order some soup. The soup is warm. I eat slowly. I feel relaxed. Now, let's listen again. I get off the bus and I walk into my office. I sit at my desk and I check my messages. I start my work. It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I eat some soup. Now, yes or no? Is it morning at lunchtime? No, it's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime, not morning. It's 5 o'clock. I take the bus home. I open the door. My cat runs to me. I say, hello, cat. I cook dinner. Dinner's simple. Rice and vegetables. I eat dinner slowly. I watch a little television. Then I feel tired. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. And I close my eyes. I say, good night. Listen one final time, but faster. Work finishes. I take the bus home. I cook dinner and I eat dinner. I watch TV. I feel tired. I turn off the lights and I say good night. Great job. In English, from morning to night. One last question. Think in English, no pressure. In this story, bus or car? Bus, good. Blue shirt or red shirt? Blue shirt, great. Coffee or tea? Coffee, perfect. You understood the real story in English without translating a single word. That is a real progress. Thank you for watching Fluent English. My name is Mohammed, and every week I make simple videos and I make slow English listening videos just for you, for absolute beginners. You can finally understand real English. If you understood most of the video, please leave a comment and write, I understood. I just want to see how many of you guys just ready for the next episode. Subscribe to Fluent English and wait for more videos.
حفظت كلمات كتير، درست قواعد بالسنين، ولما يجي وقت الكلام دماغك بتقف. السيناريو ده بيحصل لأنك بتجبر عقلك إنه يشتغل ضد طبيعته، والمشكلة مش فيك انت، المشكلة في النظام التعليم القديم اللي انت كبرت عليه من سنين. Greetings everyone, there is Muhammad and we are in Flamingo. احنا صممنا اقوى كورس محادثة للغة الانجليزية مبني على 50 سنة من خلاصة علم اللغويات. واطمنك، رمينا القواعد ورا ظهرنا واستبدلناها بحاجة اسمها القوالب اللغوية. قالب واحد بتفهمه بيخليك تنتج عشرات من الجمل في ثواني وبدون ما تستهلك اي طاقة في التفكير. في الكورس ده انا مش بس هعلمك، انا هبرمج عقلك اللاواعي ينسخ نطق وايقاع النيتيف سبيكر. انا مؤمن بقدرتك على الوصول للطلاقه لاننا وفرنا لك النظام الوحيد في الكورس عندنا اللي قادر يعمل كده. الطريق للطلاقه في اللغه الانجليزيه مش محتاج عبقريه، محتاج المنهجيه الصح. اضغط على الرابط في الوصف او في اول كومنت، انضم للكورس وخلينا نبدا الرحله. يلا هستناك في اول درس.